Ever find yourself trying to eyeball a measurement for a DIY project, only to realize later that your cut is off by a few millimeters and the whole thing doesn't fit? It's the kind of frustration that kills a project's momentum, but you can put an end to the guesswork once and for all with the HARDELL Digital Caliper. This isn't just a ruler. It's a high-precision measuring tool that gives you professional-grade accuracy for every single task, from 3D printing and woodworking to home repairs and automotive work. This caliper is built from premium, durable stainless steel, so it feels solid and reliable in your hand. None of that flimsy plastic feel you get with cheaper alternatives. The large, crystal-clear LCD screen is the real standout, taking the strain out of reading tiny hash marks. With just a quick tap of a button, you can instantly toggle between inches and millimeters, saving you from doing complex mental conversions while you're in the middle of a project. It's designed to be incredibly easy to use, with a smooth sliding action and a locking screw that lets you hold your measurements securely while you mark your materials. Whether you're measuring the outside diameter, inside diameter, depth, or step height of an object, this one tool does it all with precision to the thousandths of an inch. It even features an auto-off function to help preserve battery life, and because the kit comes with 2 batteries, you're ready to get to work the second you open the package. It's the kind of essential, buy-it-once tool that immediately elevates the quality of your work. Once you start using a digital caliper for your measurements, you'll never want to go back to a standard measuring tape for precise tasks again. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building with professional-level confidence, click the link below for the best price.